I'm so excited to show you why I get invited to all the best parties. It has nothing to do with my incredible personality. It's all about this cheese. This is my take on vegan boursin. You guys are gonna love it. It was initially inspired by a local company here in Vancouver called Virtuous Pie. They make this incredible feta, and I've taken that and turned it into my take on boursin. I'm Katie, I'm the founder of Kokomo Foods here in Vancouver. Kokomo is all about creating really healthy, delicious vegan bowls. And on this channel, I'm all about sharing my favorite recipes from home. So please do your thing, like, subscribe, comment, and is it awkward to ask you to also say cheese? Okay, this is really simple. You know how there's one pot pastas or dinners? This is a one blender meal or a snack. So let's get started. First things first is our tofu. So this is the base of it, which I think kind of keeps it healthy. Like, it's high in protein, which cheese is as well. So you want to use a firm tofu. I would always use organic just because there's so many reasons, but if you're gonna choose organic something, choose organic tofu. So we're gonna pull this out of the pack, and it's just like one big brick. Actually, I don't know, there's something like so beautiful about this to me. I just think it's so pretty. So you can just roughly throw in the block, just like that. And then we're gonna throw in our coconut oil. So I have 1/2 of a cup of coconut oil that I've put through the microwave. You can also heat it up on your stove. You just want melted coconut oil. Probably give us another month and it'll be hot enough here you won't even need to melt it yourself. It'll be fully melted. I use refined, so it's been processed a little bit more and it strips any flavor related to coconut. But honestly, at Kokomo we don't use refined, and it still tastes great. So play with whatever you have in the house. Again, I don't want you guys going out and grocery shopping and buying a bunch of things, so use whatever makes sense for you. So we're gonna add this straight into the tofu. So you're gonna pour that all around. Perfect. So that's all in there. And now we honestly just add a few ingredients. So I'm actually gonna use measuring spoons today because I just feel like there's less room for error with this one. So we're gonna do one heaping teaspoon of salt. We're gonna do 1 heaping teaspoon as well of onion powder. So I'm gonna add the lemon and then a little bit of apple cider vinegar. You can see I clearly went to Costco for this one, but I use it a lot. So you're gonna do about a tablespoon. So we're gonna pop it on the blender. This is so fun because whenever I use a blender or a hot plate, if I'm doing like the news channel or anything, there's no actual electricity, so it's all just for TV, but it's so exciting to me that I can actually turn on my blender and like make something for you. Very, very exciting over here. Okay, so we're gonna pop this on. You won't be able to hear me for a second, so BRB. So you wanna make sure that you get your tamper into all the 4 corners. You continue to push it into the blade. I'm actually gonna turn it off now, and I'm gonna take a spoon and push all the feta or all the tofu that's moved to the side into the blade. Starting to form into more of a paste. It's not as dry. It's almost like a ricotta or like a cream cheese consistency. And there you go, you can see it right there. Lovely. It's so hard not to like this in front of you, but I'm on camera, so I gotta be on my best behavior. I'm going to take saran wrap and just pop it down. And we are gonna get messy. So you can see that it's honestly like it's like a ricotta. Like, it's kind of crazy. And honestly, I can smell it. Maybe give it a quick test right now. That's perfect. So just a reminder, I'll list all the full recipe and the ingredients on my website. So just hit the link below and you'll see the full rundown and how easy it is to make this. So take, I would say like a few scoops, just pop it down on your saran, and you're just gonna kind of take it and put it into a ball. And this now feels like a sourdough or something. So you have a circle. You wanna try to get as many like air pockets out as possible, just so it looks really good. And then I'm just gonna squish it down to the size that I want it to be. and I'm gonna smooth it out, but don't worry, again, we're gonna cover this and also the saran wrap is gonna smooth it. Now I'm just gonna go wash my hands and then we're gonna wrap it up and pop it in the fridge. She's back! So now we're just gonna fold our saran wrap over just like you would like fold up anything in saran wrap. It doesn't need to be perfect. And just gonna parcel it up like a little dumpling. And we've kept our shape, which we love. And you'll notice already it's super flat. I have a bit of creases here, so try your best to not have creases and keep the saran wrap really straight. But now we're actually just gonna pop this in the fridge overnight or at least 3 hours, and we'll take it from there. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning! The sun is shining and we've got a real nice piece of vegan cheese here. So I'm just gonna put this out on a plate. The top part, as you can see, is kind of gross looking. It's not right. The other part is super flat, so that's gonna be the top. We're literally just gonna wag and wheel this through. So go like that, but you definitely wanna get the chili flakes on it. We can go back around after. I think it looks good to be a little bit rustic looking. But yeah, essentially you have your vegan cheese. This is gonna be such a hit at every single party. People will think it's Boursin, and maybe we'll just keep it as our little secret that it's not. These are my favorite crackers. They're like black pepper, I don't know, they're vegan. Do you know how many crackers and chips have milk in it? It's so annoying. And I'm just gonna take a piece like I would a piece of cheese. And then we're just gonna go like that. And I'm gonna add a little bit of kimchi on here. We've done good here today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Honestly, I'm having the time of my life, so I really appreciate all of your support. Just a reminder to please share this with your friends, like, comment below to let me know if you want me to make the kimchi or what you want me to make next. And we'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much.